Hey everyone, ever struggle to add, subtract, multiply and divide mixed fractions without any mess? Well, today I am going to teach you how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the mixed fraction in just a minute. Let's start with the basics. What's mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fraction. Right? Then whole number plus fraction will give us a mixed fraction. Then how to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction? So just multiply this and this. 3 2s are 6, then add this. 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 by 3. So like this we will convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Then how to add the improper fraction? Right? Then how to add the mixed fraction? So first convert to an improper fraction, then add the numbers, you will get the answer. Right? So what we have the number here? So here we have 2 1 by 3. So first convert to a improper fraction. So how will convert? We'll multiply this, then add this. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 3. Then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. So we'll get this. Then after this, so if you observe, the denominators are different. If the denominators are same, so we can add directly, we'll get the answer. When you have the denominators are different, you can solve by LCM method or cross multiply method. So I will choose cross multiply method. So multiply this and this. 7 2s are 14. Then what you have signed plus. Then multiply this and this. 13 3s are 39. Then multiply this and this. 3 2s are 6. Then 39 plus 14. It will be 53. Right? You just write the answer. 53 by 6. So like this way, we will add the mixed fractions. Is it right? Yes. Then coming to subtraction, same method. What we have signed here, we have a subtraction. Just subtract the numbers. Then already here we converted. Write on those numbers only. 7 by 3 minus 13 by 2. Then do the cross multiplication. 7 to 14 minus 39 divided by 6. You just need to subtract here. 14 minus 39 is minus 25 by 6. So like this we will subtract the mixed fraction. You just need to remember when you are converting, when you are adding or subtracting mixed fractions, you just need to convert a fraction to improper fraction. Then you can do the as usual procedure how to add and subtract the fraction. Is it right? Let's do multiplication and division of mixed fraction. See here I will consider different numbers. Again we need to convert a mixed fraction to an improper first. See 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Right? So 9 by 2. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3. So you can multiply the number as it is, or if you have a multiplication symbol, so if the number is divisible by the same number, we can divide it also. See 3 1s are 3, 3. Then remaining it cannot divide, so multiply and write down. 5 3s are 15 and 15 by 2. Right? So like this you can keep the answer. Otherwise you can multiply 5 3 9. We can multiply the number same as it is. 9 5s are 45, 3 2 6. Like this also you can write down. So here 4 2s are done, already we converted, that only you write down here 9 by 2, and here division will become a multiplication, means you need to just flip the sign and flip the number. See, if you just flip this number, it will reduce to multiplication, and here we got 5 by 3, right? Same number. So 5 by 3 means you write as 3 by 5. Then multiply the remaining numbers. 9 3s are 27 and 5 2s are 10. So that's our answer. And sometimes we will represent this number in the form of mixed fraction also. So that also we can do. Just divide by 10 by 27. Right? See, 10 2s are 20. So remainder is 7. Right? So first what you have to do is, you should write the what we have, which number we are dividing. So we are dividing with 10. Right? Then what we got a remainder. So 7, and how many times it going? 2. So 2 7 by 10. So like this we will write and we will convert to again to a mixed fraction. Let's level up the question. See here we have both addition and multiplication is there. Then how we will solve this type of question? See here we have both addition and multiplication is there. Then we should follow Bodemas. If we go to the Bodemas and multiplication, we should do first, right? Then so first we will multiply these two fractions. Then I will add these fractions and we will get the answer. Right? And before going to that, first we need to convert to a improper fraction. See 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3, and multiply 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 4. Means first you need to multiply these two fractions. See, it will become 2 5s are 10, right? So 3 by 2 plus 10. Then add with this fraction. Then multiply this, right? Then 3 plus 2 tens are 20 divided by 2. That 20 plus 3 is 23 by 2. Here we got 23 by 2. That we need to convert to a mixed fraction. So how will convert to a mixed fraction? You just observe here. 2 11s are 22, right? So write 2 here and dividing number 11 right here. And what is a remainder? Remainder is 1. So write the remainder. See, just remember, write the remainder in the numerator and divide number 2. You just divide by this number. See, 2 11s are 22 now. Then remaining is 1 right here. You can just reverse like this. So this is your answer. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more MathEdge like this and drop a comment 100%. You will learn something new and see you in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep calculating.